Hello everybody. Today I was wondering what to cook and I thought I fancy something a bit different. Not different, something I ain't had for a while. More of a winter food. So I thought what I'm going to do, a chili con carne. I do love a chili con carne. I'm going to do this one budget. It's nice and cheap. Feed 4 people. And it's come to a £5. So £5 for 4. Can't go wrong, can you? Not in today's prices anyway. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, this is everything I've got. It comes to about £4.90p. But that was with a big bag of rice, and that was 55p. But I've only had it's only Aldi Essential. But I've had 250 gram of that for the 3 of us. And the cheese, I've already had the cheese in. That's Red Leicester. That was, it was £1.99 for a 250 gram, but I've only used 70 gram of that. So that's about 50-60p's worth or something like that. Some minced beef, and I'm using one of these. I've got all the seasonings in to make a proper one, but this is a proper budget one. Because as soon as you start going into the seasonings, your price starts going up, doesn't it? It's a quick and easy one. That's all seasoned for you. And I've also bought myself, I had to buy a new chilli powder anyway, which is to go in the cupboard. So I've had that's in the price as well, 55p. I've had a teaspoon of that. Tin of chopped tomatoes. I've done a quarter of kidney beans because no one else likes it in the house, only me. I'm going to put them in at the very end after I've dished everyone else's up. And what I'm going to do with my tortillas, I'm going to cook the chilli up. I'm going to put them on a plate, put a bit of chilli on top, some cheese, put it in the microwave to melt the cheese. That's what I'm going to do with them, so they're for later. So first things first is we want to get the meat browned up. I also got, I don't know if I told you, I got 1 onion, 1 large onion and 1 red pepper. What was it? 45p for the pepper and 30p for the onion. Jobs are good. I'm not going to use any oil. We're just going to, because we've got fat in the beef anyway. So we'll get the pan warmed up, and I'll also get my water warmed up for the rice first. So the rice can just sit there while the rest is doing, so that's not a problem. Mince in. Get that all mashed up, and we will get it all browned up first. I'm not seasoning it, I'm not putting any salt on. Once I get my chilli powder now in there, you won't really need it. I mean, you can if you want. But this is about cheap ingredients, that's all. As that meat is doing, we will get the chili con carne seasoning mix in 150ml of water, cold water. And we will give it a stir. Don't forget, you want your chilli quite thick, don't you? I mean, you can always add more water if you want it a bit thinner, but I do like a thick chili con carne. And that's it really, we're virtually ready to just fry up in a minute. One of the cheapest and most convenient foods, any chili con carne. Okay, that's all browned up. You want to drain all that fat off now. Just keep a little bit of that fat for the onions and the peppers. You don't want to keep all that fat in there. You can help it, and don't drain it down the sink, because it'll block your drain. Just put it in a saucepan like I do. And I'm going to get me onions and me pepper in. 1 onion, 1 pepper. That's going in now. I'm going to fry them up for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to put my chilli powder in with my peppers and my onion. I've got some of these bowls, look, pinch bowls they're called. And that found them for me on Amazon. £8 for 12 I think it was. But that was on a sale last weekend. And while they're frying, we will get the rice in the water and boil it. Just enough rice to water to cover the rice, that's all. That's all you want. Bring it to the boil and give it a stir. Now I'm going to stick my chilli powder in with 1 teaspoon. You can always add more if you need to, depending how spicy you like it. Look at that now, it's coming on nice, coming on nice. Good old chilli. And don't forget, you can always put extra veg in if you need to. If you need to pack your food out, get some nice carrots in there or something. Grate your carrots up. If your kids don't like carrots, they would never know, would they? They're only cheap carrots, aren't they? They're only them wonky ones, I think, only about 40p from Aldi or something. Some peas if you want to. I mean, you can kind of peas in this, and you kind of, if you want to pack your meal out, pack it out. You know what I mean? Give that a stir. Simmer. There we go, now we will get the beef back in. Nice and simple, look at this, eh? Nice and simple. Give that a quick mix. Tomatoes. Tin of chopped tomatoes. And then your seasoning mix with your 150ml of water. There you go. Give it a stir. Put it on simmer. 20 minutes time. It will be done. Okay, the rice is done. The chilli is done and it's smelling delicious. I haven't tasted it yet, but it's lovely and thick now, look. There we go. Yes. Well, I'm going to get that on a few tortillas. I used half a pack. I'm going to put a bit of this on there. Just as a mix. Still got loads left. Look, I've got to put my red kidney beans into at the end first. But I want to get this done and then I can dish nuts up and that. Bit of them in there. Where's my cheese? And get a bit of cheese on. And get it all melted in. Nice little dip then, ain't you? You can put it in the air fryer, I suppose, or in the oven. You don't need to put it in the oven on it because you're not using it, so. Get all that on there. Right, we'll get that in the microwave. I'll get my red kidney beans in that one and we're ready to dish up. Sweating now. Absolutely sweat's warm, ain't it, Bab?
Yeah.
You open that door a minute, sweetheart. Let me show you. Oh, there's mine. Nice and cheap and cheerful. Loads of rice, look. There's the nachos, look. That's already been digging into them, ain't you, Bab?
Yeah.
Can have more cheese, but it's budget friendly, isn't it?
No.
And how's your stuff?
It's
Is it nice? You're all black on your top of your head.
And I have done my eyebrows.
Oh, you done your eyebrows? No. And I got some of that which I had the other day, which I might stick a bit of that on.
Started just as you called me.
That not in the price. Oh, you just started, did I? Doing your
Just as
eyebrows?
you called me.
Oh, did I? So yeah, all that come to, well, with the cheese, I didn't buy cheese because I had it in, but it worked out about £5.50. Bit of sour cream on, maybe a bit of sour cream on there.
It's delicious.
You know?
Thanks for not putting no beans in it.
Yeah, I've done two, didn't I? So.
Thank you, Bob. I picked them out, right?
No, it's only a couple of minutes at the end, innit, while I was setting mine up, so. Bit of sour cream on there, look.
That's nice, that is.
There we go. And let me just show you how much is left. I say we've done two and that. Let me show you. It's way easy enough for another two. There you go, look. Half a pan. So, easy to do four of you, easy. Cheapest chips, you probably get 6 out of that. Or loads more on your nachos, couldn't you? Where's my fork?
In there.
Let's have a go anyway. Only a basic one.
Yeah, but it's still nice.
It's nice.
I'm enjoying it. It's really nice. Thank you.
Okay, isn't it? It's alright for you.
I'm really enjoying it today.
Well, there you go. Something nice and simple.
It's delicious.
These nachos have been sitting a few minutes now because I was setting mine up, so let me see if they're still gooey. There was when Nat had one.
They are. They're really nice.
They're only about, I think there's 55p or something, them nachos. Them tortilla chips. I think they are. There's loads more left, sweetheart, if you want more, Bab.
I might have some later on when I'm a bit later
Get
on.
hungry if you get hungry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of eating cake.
Instead of eating cake. So all in all, it's dark, isn't it?
I think it's going to rain.
Yeah, I'm happy. You? Well, you are, because you've had all yours.
It's delicious. I needed something like this today.
Huh?
I needed something like this today.
I thought that as well. I thought something. We don't have it often, do we?
No.
And I thought, oh yeah, because I like. I thought, let's do something a bit different.
I do like chilli.
Huh? You do like chilli, you just don't like kidney beans, do you? I'll have had it probably a little bit more spicy, me, but that's about perfect for you, isn't it? Is it? Or do you want to
I wouldn't have minded as long as it's not like stupid.
Yeah, well, I probably went a bit stupid because chilli, I like spicy chilli. It's usually got a little kick, isn't it? But not a lot. You got to put a bit of chilli powder in because I don't think that packet itself would have been any good. It would feel like a mild, I suppose. But that's how chilli powder is only 55p, I think it was. You know. All in all, there we go. Budget friendly, cheap. Feeds for a £5, just over with the cheese. Chili con carne and nachos, are they called nachos when they're done like that? I think they're called nachos when they're done like that, isn't they? They're the tortilla, yeah, it's called nachos, isn't they, I think. Anyway, there you go. As I say, I am the old food guy. It's a like, it's a subscribe, and score.
Definitely a 10.
I'm giving it a 10. But you've had every bit of that. I haven't even started yet, look.
I really enjoyed this.
You really enjoyed that.
Thank
Fair
you.
play. There's loads of rice and there's loads of more left.
Thank you, Bob.
See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye. She's not coming on because she's hot. She's got half eyebrow.
Don't come down like this.